What's going on, guys? My name is Ryan and this is three.naught. I'm still here in my dorm and this is probably one of the last days that I'm going to be in here. So I have some vlog footage from about a month ago that I'd like to piece together and show you guys because it never got to the channel for whatever reason. So without further ado, this is Vlog.5. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm making a vlog this week, so yeah. So now you're on it. Hey, there she is. She's probably gonna want this seat. Yeah. Give it to her. I'm filming a vlog this week.
Stop.
It's casual. Go blue! This was spontaneous. Hey, life on the farm. It's a beautiful day. Ain't it a beauty? Making a vlog. Vlogging every other week. So.
We have a prime rib.
Prime
Easter.
rib. Easter Sunday tomorrow. Praise the Lord.
Pass the collection plate.
What? Uh-oh, here he comes. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's so excited. Oh, man.
Oh, hi. Okay, Ranger.
Who's Ranger? Yeah, where's Ranger? He's up there. He's being a little cautious.
Yeah, Ranger's much more.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna get you.
Hey,
I'm so happy I'm
jeez.
done.
Ranger, there he is. Uh-oh. Hey. Typical day for the dogs. Life on the farm. All right, boys. How y'all doing? Let's see. You ready to get out of here?
I'll let him out.
You got it.
This part always scares me. Don't come out yet.
They're waiting.
Good.
Go on.
Get out of here, you stupid animal.
Well, all right. Is that it? They make this noise, man.
No, don't get close, otherwise they won't come out.
Come on. Go. Here we go. 3. And 4. Good morning, you two. And happy Easter. Happy Easter, Mom.
Happy Easter.
We haven't missed an Easter hunt yet. We always do something. And it's her fault.
Hey, would you rather not have that stuff?
Yeah, you're right. I'd rather. Happy Easter, guys. Finally home. It's about 7:30 on Sunday night. We just got back to Ann Arbor. After this Easter Sunday, seeing this beautiful day, 65 degrees in Ann Arbor, I couldn't be happier. I'm gonna head over to South Quad, get some dinner, and then I'm gonna come back and do a little studying and get back into reality, I suppose. But I hope the week stays like this. It's just really, really gorgeous out, guys.